guys, welcome to my very first rapid review video where I review products quickly. I get to the point and I try to do it in under 2 minutes or less. I really feel like this is an area of the beauty world that we are lacking in. I think that sometimes we tend to get a little bit winded with our reviews, and in these types of videos I really want to get to the point and kind of let you guys know my thoughts in a quick and to the point way. So the product that we're going to be reviewing today is the Hairitage brand by Mindy McKnight. She does shampoo, conditioner, hair mask, and hair products. So I have the Deep Moisture Restore Conditioner, I have the Gentle Daily Shampoo, and I also have the Transforming Hair Mask. So you can find the Hairitage brand at Walmart. The shampoo and conditioner is about $7.94, and this mask is also $7.94, so I feel like the price range is really good. The shampoo and conditioner is actually 13 ounces. I feel like they are decent sized bottles, especially for the price, and I do think that they're really good quality, so you're getting good quality for a good price. Now the reason I say it's good quality is because it doesn't have a lot of things in it that is harmful for your hair. It is sulfate free, phthalate free, paraben free, gluten free, mineral oil free, color safe, cruelty free, and vegan. So it's definitely taken out some of those, ingredients that are harmful for your hair, which is really great. I know a lot of people sometimes like sulfates in their shampoo and conditioners because it helps the shampoo lather, but the thing about sulfates is they can really dry out your hair. But one thing that I can say when you are using shampoos that don't have sulfates is to really make sure your hair is sopping wet before you apply the shampoo to your hair. That way it will kind of disperse into your hair a little bit easier, and I feel like that's the best way to work with sulfate-free shampoos. The nice thing too about this line is it's color-coded, so if you are kind of focusing on one specific line for your certain hair type, it's really easy to find the products that you're looking for. And another great thing too is the shampoo and conditioner has a pump on it. I absolutely love pumps. I hate shampoo and conditioners where you have to, turn it over and squeeze it into your hand, because I find that those often clog up, and with the pumps it's so much easier and they don't clog up as badly, so that's also a really big plus. So one really big con I found with this shampoo and conditioner is it was too heavy for my hair. I have really straight and pretty fine hair. My hair is not thick, I don't have a lot of texture, and it's not very coarse. And so when I use this shampoo and conditioner, I do feel like it's a little bit heavy, and sometimes I feel like it leaves a little bit of a film on my hair, and I feel like sometimes my hair gets dirtier faster, and I feel like I have to wash it more often. And that's definitely a downside for me because I do not need any heaviness to my hair. I do not like to wash my hair every single day. If I can go 3 days, I will. And because this does feel like it sometimes leaves a little bit of a film on my hair, and it's just a little bit heavy, I do feel like I want to wash it more often, which I don't love. But I do think if you have really dry hair or you have extremely thick, very textured hair, like if you have waves or curls, I feel like this would be really good because it might tame the frizz down just a little bit, and I feel like it could give you a little bit of weight in your hair if that's what you're looking for. But if you have thin hair like me, that's definitely not something you want. The one thing about this that I find interesting that I personally like is the scent. It has a really strong scent. I do feel like the scent lasts a long time in your hair, which I absolutely love, and I get lots of compliments on my hair when I use this because the scent does last a long time. But if you're gonna have a shampoo that has a long-lasting scent, it's gonna be extremely strong. So if you're sensitive to scents, then I would definitely maybe reconsider. This is definitely more of a perfumey scent. It almost has a little bit of a musky scent. It's definitely not like a really fresh floral or like a really fresh like bath smell, if you know what I mean. I almost feel like it has a little bit of like that fake floral smell. So I feel like if you have a sensitivity to fragrance, you may want to kind of smell it on your own in stores, because it definitely does have one of those really strong, a little bit more perfumey scents. Another thing that I do notice when I use this shampoo and conditioner, and this is always a way that I know that I am not 100% sold on it, is if I have to use the conditioner twice. But a lot of times if I condition my hair, and I feel like it's not really smooth and my hair doesn't feel like really conditioned, I'll go into the conditioner again and I'll just recondition it. And I'm somebody that uses a lot of conditioner. I probably use more conditioner than the average person because I just like conditioner. But with this line, I do feel like I condition twice sometimes, just because I feel like I want my hair to be a little bit softer. It always does feel softer after I condition twice, but sometimes I don't want to have to do that. and I do feel like sometimes I can tell if a conditioner isn't quite strong enough for me if I have to go in with it twice. But one thing that I do love is this hair mask. This is the Transforming Hair Mask, and I've been using this in place of the conditioner, and I do feel like this is amazing. I use this one time, I use it on the ends of my hair, and I don't have to use this twice. It leaves my hair feeling extremely soft, extremely detangled. I would definitely recommend this product. I absolutely love it. Sometimes I even use this with other brand shampoos, and it's amazing. I would definitely repurchase this specific mask. I do feel like there's quite a bit of product in here. It is 8 ounces, so it's not as much as the regular conditioner, but I do feel like this is a little bit more concentrated, and I get a more smooth, silky, soft vibe in the shower to the ends of my hair. Now, one great thing I can say about this shampoo and conditioner is that it works really well long term. I've been using this for probably, I would say about 3 months, maybe a little bit more, so I kind of know the long-term effects of it. And I know when I use things like herbal essences or Suave for like a really long period of time, my hair feels like garbage over time. Like it feels dry, it starts to get really staticky, which is a huge indicator of dryness. And this over time has been great. My hair feels like it's in great condition. It doesn't feel really dry or anything like that. So if you're looking for something that's going to leave your hair in really good shape over time, this definitely does that. So it's great for that. So from 1 to 5 stars, if I had to give this line a star rating, I think I would go with 3. I think that the pros and the cons balance each other out really well. I definitely love the mask. There were some cons to the shampoo and conditioner, but I think it might just be my hair type. So I would definitely give it a try if this sounds like something that would work for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this very first rapid reviews video. As you guys know, review videos are based on opinion, and opinions are not only based on facts, but they're also based on experience, and we all have different experiences. So if you don't agree with my reviews, you can definitely comment down below and give your 2 cents. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this on my channel, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!